Um, since we've been talking about outer syllabus questions, Sunny Gupta would like to understand what does PPFAS consider as their circle of competence, uh, and is it aligned to what you see as high conviction stories for the for growth over the next 15-20 years in India?
Okay, so personally, I've been thinking a lot about this, and it's important to not keep the circle of competence static. Rather, it's important to keep growing it, or at least uh, try and understand basics of some of the newer areas. So, uh, towards that end, let's say whether it be the entire space of cryptocurrencies or decentralized finance and all, I'm not convinced that that is a viable space or that is a investable space. At the same time, I'm not writing it off. I'm just saying, let's keep the curiosity alive. Let's keep evaluating what is happening in that space. We'll be observers. We have said that we will not invest in Chinese companies because we are not sure about the government policies and uh, the legal framework and things like that. That doesn't mean we ignore China as a country or we ignore what is happening with a lot of those companies. We have to keep our minds open, keep the curiosity alive, and keep looking at it. So, circle of competence is at a point in time the companies and industries that you understand, but it should be evolving and we should keep attempting to increase it. It may not be possible for each individual to expand, but gradually what we are trying to do is we are trying to recruit people with complementary skill sets or with understanding into areas where we do not have adequate understanding or coverage. So as a team, we are trying to go on increasing that, and over a time increase the circle of.
Thank you, Rajiv. Uh,
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.